Welcome to this video on moles and molar mass. A mole is an amount of substance. It is a defined number of particles. 1 mole is 6.02 times 10 to the 23 particles. If we had 6.02 times 10 to the 23 particles of carbon, we would have 1 mole of carbon. If we are talking about the isotope carbon-12, 1 mole of carbon-12 would weigh 12 grams. Let us now consider a different atom, such as beryllium. Let's look at the isotope beryllium-9. If I counted out 6.02 times 10 to the 23 particles of beryllium-9, I would have 1 mole of beryllium-9, and this would weigh 9 grams. So, to summarize this slide, a mole is an amount of substance, and that 1 mole is equivalent to, or the same as, 6.02 times 10 to the 23 particles. The molar mass is the mass of 1 mole of particles. Let's now take a look at the molecule hydrogen sulfide, which has the chemical formula H2S. If we were to work out the molecular mass of hydrogen sulfide, we would do this by taking twice the atomic mass of hydrogen plus the atomic mass of sulfur. The reason for this being is that hydrogen sulfide has 2 hydrogens and 1 sulfur. So the molar mass of hydrogen sulfide would be 2 times 1.0 plus 32.1, which is equal to 34.1 grams per mole. So what that means is that 1 mole of hydrogen sulfide weighs 34.1 grams. By looking at the units of molar mass, we can see that it is calculated by taking the mass and dividing it by the number of moles. So I've created this equation here that says the molar mass is equal to the mass of the substance divided by the number of moles. So to summarize this slide, molar mass is the mass of 1 mole of particles, and it is measured in the units grams per mole. Let's now take a look at how we calculate moles. If we take the previous equation, molar mass is equal to the mass divided by the number of moles, we can rearrange this to give us the number of moles is equal to the mass of the substance divided by the molar mass. So let's imagine we have to calculate the number of moles of 25 grams of hydrogen sulfide. Well, fortunately, we already know that the molar mass of hydrogen sulfide is 34.1 grams per mole. So we just divide our mass, which is 25, by 34.1 to give us 0.733 moles. So if we have 25 grams of hydrogen sulfide, the number of moles would be 0.733 moles. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe below.